If your PC is overheating, shutting down randomly, or running loud, here's how to fix it. Your computer feels hot to the touch, fans run at full speed constantly, or your PC shuts down during games or heavy tasks. Performance drops when it gets too hot. Overheating happens for two main reasons: dust blocking airflow through vents and cooling fans, or poor ventilation, preventing heat from escaping your case. When components can't cool down, they throttle performance or shut down to prevent damage. Step 1. Check your temperatures. Download a free monitoring tool like HW Monitor or Core Temp. Normal idle temperatures are Y-50 degrees Celsius. Under load, CPUs should stay below 80 degrees Celsius, and GPUs below 85 degrees Celsius. If you're hitting 90 degrees Celsius or higher, you have a cooling problem. Step 2. Clean dust from vents and fans. Shut down and unplug your PC. Use compressed air to blow dust out of all vents, fan grills, and intake areas. For desktops, open the case and clean the CPU cooler, GPU fans, and case fans. Dust acts like insulation and blocks airflow. This single step drops temperatures by a Y-20 degrees Celsius in most cases. Step 3. Improve airflow. Make sure your PC has space around it. Don't block vents with walls or objects. For laptops, use a cooling pad or elevate the back to increase air circulation underneath. For desktops, ensure front intake fans aren't obstructed and cables inside aren't blocking airflow paths. Step 4. Reapply thermal paste desktops only. If your PC is over 3 years old and still overheating after cleaning, the thermal paste between your CPU and cooler may have dried out. Remove the cooler, clean off old paste with isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small rice grain amount of new thermal paste and reseat the cooler. This requires careful handling but can drop CPU temps significantly. Step 5. Reduce software load. Close unnecessary background programs using Task Manager. Lower graphics settings in games if your GPUs. Enable power-saving modes when you don't need maximum performance. Less work means less heat. If temperatures stay dangerously high after cleaning and improving airflow, your cooling system may be failing. Check if all fans are spinning. A dead fan or a failing pump in liquid coolers means you need a replacement. For persistent overheating, upgrading to a better CPU cooler or adding case fans helps. That's the fix. Clean the dust first, improve airflow second, and monitor your temps. Most overheating issues are solved by Step 2.
Solution brief. Fast answers, no fluff.